Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a course on Skool community. So first, you may want to head over to skool.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is head over to the community with the course that you would like to download. And once inside the community, switch to classroom and look for the course you would like to download. Then next, in a new tab, head over to Chrome webstore.google.com and we're going to search for an app called Video Download Helper. So it's this link or extension. So click on it. And from here, we're simply going to add this to our Chrome. Click on Add Extension. So once the extension is already installed, head back to Skool and from this course page, just click on the extensions icon, then launch a video download helper by clicking on it. And as you can see, all the courses and videos in this page are automatically detected and are readily available for download. Just click on the download button to download the course. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!